How to install Facebook on a Huawei Nova 8 5G. If you are new to using smartphones and want to install Facebook on your Huawei Nova 8 5G and you don't know how to do it or you have problems with the installation, here we provide you with step-by-step instructions and images to install Facebook on a Nova 8 5G. Before starting the installation, check if you have enough storage space. The Nova 8 5G has an internal memory of 128 GB, 256 GB, and you will need about 70 MB free, and keep in mind that Facebook will take up more space after being downloaded, as it will start saving photos, videos and data. First step. The first step to install Facebook on your Nova 8 5G is to access the App Store. Look for the Play Store application store. It should be on the home screen. If you can't find it there, slide your finger to the left on the home screen to search for it on the other screens. If you still can't find it, slide your finger from the bottom of the screen up and use the application finder. If your Nova 8 5G does not have the Play Store, consult the following article before continuing. 2nd step. Once you have accessed the Play Store from your Nova 8 5G, use the search engine that appears at the top of the screen. Click on the search box to start writing. 3rd step. Type Facebook in the search box. You can choose between installing the normal Facebook application or the lighter version called Facebook Lite that requires less storage space and uses less data from your plan. 4th step. Click on the version of Facebook that you want to install on your Huawei Nova 8 5G and then click on the Install button. 5th step. Wait a moment for the application to download and install on your Huawei Nova 8 5G. This may take a while depending on the connection speed. 6th step. Once it has finished installing, the Open button will appear. Press to open the application and log in with your Facebook account. 7th step. If after installation you want to put Facebook on the home screen of your Nova 8 5G, look for it in the list of applications. Click on the application without releasing it and drag your finger on the screen to place it in the place you prefer on the home screen. Do you have doubts or have you not been able to install Facebook on your Nova 8 5G? Leave your questions below and they will be resolved by the device's Facom team and the rest of the community.